Hello, also today I'll be discussing about different types of mutual fund which you can invest in depending on your risk and return profile. So first is equity oriented fund. So as the name suggests, your money is primarily invested in the shares of the company, mainly aiming for capital appreciation over a time horizon of 5 years or more to give you good amount of returns. So these are riskier instruments since your profit completely depends on how well the company is performing. So as I've always said, higher is the risk, higher is the return. So in case the company performs well, you can get a very good amount of return also. So some of the examples being multi-cap funds, flexi-cap funds, large cap funds, mid-cap funds, small cap funds, etc. Next is debt-oriented funds. So again, as the name suggests, your money is mainly invested in debt instruments like the government bonds, corporate bonds, etc. These are fixed income funds, mainly with a less risk since the income is fixed and not aiming for capital appreciation, and the investment is mainly for short term to medium term, which can be for 1 day to 5 years. Some of the examples being liquid fund, the gilt fund, etc. Next is hybrid fund. So again, as the name suggests, it's a mixture of equity as well as debt fund, giving you a moderate risk and which would give you capital appreciation as well as fixed amount of return. Some of the one of the examples being multi asset fund. So bye for now, hope it helps.